Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how we can upload the checkpoint image in ENG. We are going to start very soon the checkpoint firewall playlist. You will get all the checkpoint video in our YouTube channel. So what you need to do, first you need to have the checkpoint image. So from where you can download the checkpoint image and where you need to install. So first you need the ENG because this is a playlist. In this one you will get everything about the checkpoint. Very soon we are going to upload more video also. So this is the first video. Already you know the firewall is used in everywhere. You have Palo Alto, FortiGate and checkpoint, FTD. We have lot of firewall. So now in this playlist we are going to learn checkpoint. So first of all we are going to use ENG. To do the lab we are going to use the ENG. So now I already prepare before ENG playlist. If you don't have the ENG, try to watch that playlist and install the ENG. So now what we are going to do, we are going to open the ENG. If you see 192.168.45.130, I get this IP. I need to type this IP in the browser. So I will go to the browser and then I will type this IP 192.168.45.130. Maybe you will have different IP. Your ENG may have different IP. So try to check what you are getting in your ENG. Use that IP. Okay, and minimize this and open this. So you will have the ENG dashboard. Then username is admin. Password is EVE by default. This is a default login credential and we can go inside. So when you do like this, you will go inside and close the lab. Here I created one folder before, so let me delete everything and you can see here I will create one folder as a checkpoint. Here I already created, you know already. You can write here any folder name and click add a folder, so you will have the folder. So when you have the folder, open the folder and go here, click add a lab. When you click add a lab, this is a new lab. You can give basic, any name you can give. Here I will give basic checkpoint lab. Okay, checkpoint firewall lab, anything you can give. Still we don't have the image. We need to install the image also. So here just I will put this name and here we are going to do the checkpoint lab. So if you want to do the checkpoint lab, first you should have the image of checkpoint. If you right click and click the node and go here, you can see here, or you can search with checkpoint also with the checkpoint name. So let me write checkpoint. Okay, I can write here. So you will have the grayed out. If you see here, this one checkpoint security gateway. This one, if you see, it is grayed out. Grayed out means we don't have the image of this firewall in the ENG. We need to upload the image. If you see this color, you have the blue color, means we have already image of Juniper and the Cisco iOS switch, but we don't have checkpoint here. So we need to load. So how we will load? First we need to download. So this is the URL. I will give this URL in our video description. You can go to this website. This is the checkpoint website. You can download the image from here. Go down and you can see here clean installation. Okay, you can click that clean installation, so it will download. So when we click here, it will start downloading and you will download the image. You can go down and here you can see, click this one, so you will download this image, whatever the checkpoint latest image is there. But you need to remember the file is ISO. So we need to convert this ISO into our file, the file which we are using in the ENG. So we will see how we can convert also. And minimum 8 GB RAM you need to give for this what we can say firewall. Okay, so let's see. Or 4 GB RAM also we can give, but best if you give 8 GB, that will be good. Anyhow, you can click the download here, so download will start. I already downloaded this one, so I can cancel. No need to download for me. I will cancel this one. See, 4.23 GB this image size is. Already I downloaded here. If you want, I can show you. I have here somewhere. Let me show you here where I have. If you see, this is a checkpoint image which I downloaded here, 4.23 GB. So you need to first download this. After that, what I will do, we will open the WinSCP. If you remember, we have the WinSCP. If you want to load any image inside the EVNG or delete any image inside the EVNG, we are using the WinSCP. So this is a WinSCP. Here you can select if you have already, what we can say, if you use before, you can select that one, or if you did not use before, you can edit this and you can put here whatever IP you have here in the EVNG, what IP you have. So whatever IP we have, we will write that one. By default, I have the same one because before I use, and the username password will be root and EVE. When you have the, what we can say, when we have this one in the VMware workstation, if you see here, what is the username, root and EVE, this login detail you need to put where in the WinSCP to log in that one. So what I will do, I will close this, then I will open the WinSCP. When I open the WinSCP, let me see where we have WinSCP here. So it will open and it will ask you, so you can put the IP whatever you have, and root and EVE is a password, just click OK. So it will connect. So this left hand side, if you see, this is my PC we have here, this is my PC, and if you see, this is my EVNG folder. So if I want to load the image, I need to go in this location where OPT, Unit Lab, add-ons, QEMU, in this folder you need to go. If you are outside here, maybe you will be here, maybe you will, when you do first time, you will be here. So when you have like this, you need to go OPT, then after that you need to go here Unit Lab, then after that you need to go to add-ons, and here in the QEMU folder you need to load. So here go inside this one, and here you need to create a new folder here. So you can right click and you can see here new, and you can create the directory. When you create the new directory here, what you need to do, you need to give some permission here. What permission you need to give means, here this all permission, all allow everything, read, write, everything will be allowed. You will have here 777, and use the same setting for next time I can give, and here folder name we need to give. So whatever folder name I am giving, you need to give the same thing, because name conversion, you know, in the EVNG, if you want to run the image in the EVNG website, we have the name, that same name folder we need to create, that same name image we need to give, else it will not work. So here I will give CPSG, and this is the name we need to give. After that, what is our version we have, we can give anything. I think R80 we have, -40 we have, so we can give this thing, anything we can give, but this should be same, all should be small letter, and this all should be checked. If it is unchecked, check like this. Okay, if anything is unchecked, check like this. So you should have all 7, everything will be same, then click OK. So you will have the folder here. You can see this folder is created. Double click to open that folder. After that, you need to drag and drop that image where we have here. If you remember, we have somewhere the image here, right? So what I can do here, I can go here to download place where I have the download, or you can go from here also. You can click here and go to the desktop and go to the download here, and you can go there. Or if you don't want to go that side, then what you can do, you can do another way also. You can just go from this side, and here you can go from here also. See, if you click download, you have the downloaded all the thing, and here you need to check where is the file, and you need to drag and drop. Or if you are feeling difficulty here, you are getting issue, then directly you can drag and drop also. You can drag and drop also. So how you will drag and drop means, just what you will do, you will open this one, go here in the download and see this file, just drag like this and drop here. Okay, it will take time, it will drop here. I don't want you to make confuse here by looking here, because many students before confuse when they are taking from here. So it is easy, just open window E, open my computer, and just drag and drop here. It will copy everything here. It will copy everything here. After that, what we can do, we need to change the name also here. We need to change the name also here. So what we will do here, we will wait for some time, because this is a 4 point something GB, so it will take some time to move here. After that, we need to change the name of this image also. Then we need to put some commands, and after that this image will be converted. So we will see that one how we can do. So we will wait for few minutes. After that, what we will do, let's see here. After that, we will do now. So see here, it is moved. Now just select this, and you can edit this, and in the file you can give the name CD-ROM, that's all, and press enter. This is the image name we give here. After that, we need to put some command here. So where we need to put means we need to put inside this place, and it is difficult to type here, right? It is here you can log in, but it is difficult to type here. So what we can do, we can do the SSH. We can open the putty here. You can open putty and put the IP of the EVNG, this IP whatever you have here, like 192.168.45.130, and press enter, and username is root, password is EVE. So you will be inside here. Okay, after that you can type the command. You need to type the command. I will type here. Later you can pause the video and see and type this command, or I will put this command also in the description. You need to write CD OPT. Okay, let me go here and do here. What I will do here, let write CD, I will press tab key and backslash OPT, then backslash and unit lab. Press tab key, so it will do autocomplete also. Press tab key, write this key mu and press tab key, and then after that you can write CPSG-R, what name we give, just press tab key, it will come. And after that press enter. So we are in that location. If you see, we are in this location, and here also if you see in the WinSCP, this image will change now. You can see after some time. So let me put the command here. So after that we need to put one more command. What we will do here, we will write like I can give you that command also in the description, or what I can do, I can put in the notepad somewhere. So anyhow, let me put now here. Let me put here. We need to put this command, or I will make this big. I need to put this command here. Okay, I will put this in the description. You can use and copy and paste this command. After going there, you will put this command and press enter this. Okay, so you press enter. After that, here you can minimize and you can refresh this, and see here you have the image. So we convert this image. What we done here, we convert that image into cd-rom.iso. We convert this image into hda.qcow2. Okay, and here, but if you see this image 194 KB only you have, here you have 44393. So we need to, still it is not finished. After that we need to do some more process. So after that this image will get all the updates, and you will have them here 7 GB like that you will have. So we need to do that one also. So what we need to do here, we convert the image. Okay, and after that we will go here. You can go here and click, right click and add a node, and then you check here. Before it is grayed out, but now it is available. So click this. This is your image. Here better first time increase the RAM at least 8 GB. Later you can use the default one. I increase the 8 GB here, and here you convert. First time you select this setting VNC. Later next time you can use the telnet. So here 8 GB RAM I selected and VNC I selected. Click save. So this is a checkpoint image. Okay, this is a checkpoint image here, and remaining is default. Right click and take the NAT cloud. We need to take the cloud, so we can connect our firewall to the internet. So how we can connect? If we want to connect any device in the EVNG to the internet, go to the network, and here select the management or cloud 0, and here you can give any name. We can give same name also, but I am giving here ISP1, and this icon we can change or keep like this only, no worries. We can keep like this also. So this one I will connect to the first interface. Here you have lot of interface. I will connect to the first interface and click OK. So this is a ISP. We can say this is a ISP, and then we can power on this machine. Okay, you can power on this machine, and we can move somewhere here. After that you can double click this and open this VNC. it will open, and after that if you see, you will have like this. So you need to move this up and click install Gaia on this system. Gaia is the operating system they are using, so we need to wait, it will load, and after that it will load, and the software whatever is missing, means whatever is not there, it will load here. Okay, then after that it will come and it will ask you some setting, we need to set that one. And also what we can do here, this one you can refresh, the size will increase here whenever they are upgrading. After some time this size will increase here. Okay, anyhow here if you see, please wait while installation start. So it will take some time, it is connected to the internet and it will do the installation. We need to wait for some time. After that they will ask you do we want to continue the installation. You will get the notification here, you need to press OK, and then they will ask you, they are inspecting the hardware. Okay, let him inspect the hardware also, and see here welcome note will come and they will ask you, do you want to continue the installation. So you will say OK. It is already selected on OK, just press enter. Okay, after that which language, it is already selected US, so just click OK. And then here, this is a default setting, don't change anything. This is a default setting, we can keep as it is, and you can press tab key, so it will move down and it is now present in the OK place, and press enter. After that here you need to define the password. Username by default is admin, password we can set up. So whatever password you want to give and remember this password, this is important. So I will give some password here. You need to remember whatever the password you are giving, and then press tab key, so it will come to next one and write again the same password. You need to write the same password again. After that just press tab key, it will come to OK, and press enter. It will inspect the hardware, and after that it will show you which interface we want to use. We want to use the first interface only, so first interface is selected. Just press tab key, bring that one option on OK, and press enter. And here the IP address, what we need to set, here you can set the IP address, like here we are using 192.168.45 dot something. So if you want to use the 45 dot something, we can use that 45 dot something, or if you want to get from the DHCP, we can select the DHCP. So up to us, we can give here IP and everything, or if you don't want to give, you can just go here and select the option DHCP. Okay, select the option DHCP and press enter here. We will select the option here DHCP, or if you want to give the IP, you can give the IP also. Example, here see they taken the default IP here, so let me give the IP only. You can select the IP from the EVNG, whatever the subnet you are using, you can use the same subnet. So here I will put example, I will put here 45, because I am use my EVNG IP is here, if you see 45 192.168.45.130. So here I can give 45.100. I can give 100, or I can give anything, 1 or 2 it is already using, so I can give 100, or you can give 50, anything we can give. So let me give 50. Okay, 192.168.45.50. and gateway, you can press tab key and press tab key. Gateway should be, you can put the similar thing here, this should be 45, and then gateway we will give, the gateway will be .2. Okay, so here you will give the .2 only. Just you need to remember 45 I am using, because I am having the 45 here. So whatever you have in your EVNG, you will use that one. Here I am giving 50, you can give 50 or 100. Just remember, if you want me to give 100, I can give 100 also. Okay, anyhow I give this one 45.50, and this is a subnet mask, and this is a gateway, and click here OK and press enter. After that what they will do, they will say here like the next stage of the installation process will format your hardware. Are you sure you want to continue? So we can select the here option, and I can press enter. So they will check. Okay, just press enter, and then okay. So I need to select OK. I think I did not select OK, so that's why it go back. So again I came here the same place, and I will select the OK. Here this one is OK, and here I need to select OK, because by mistake I selected back before and press enter, that's why it go. So now click OK. Okay, so then after that it will prepare and it will install the application, everything, and it will reboot. We need to reboot also, and meanwhile you can go here and you can refresh. The size will increase here after some time when they load. Here still if you see 194 you have, but after some time when they do everything you will have the more size that. So if you see core operating system, they are installing this one. So when they finish you will see the size of this new image which we created 194, it will increase. Okay, still it is going on, so it will not show. Approximately you will have 7 GB of that image size. So we will take this one, and after that what you will do here, we will use this. And you need to remember, like EVNG permission command we are putting all the time. So whenever you load any image, anything, you need to put the EVNG permission command. So you can check in the internet EVNG permission command and keep ready. Once the everything is finished, you can put the EVNG permission command. And this one, after that, if you want to save whatever operation we done, if you want to save that one for next time, if you take, it should start from the same point. Then we need to put some command, but I don't want to confuse you to put that command, so leave that one and start doing this lab with this one only. Later we will see all the other stuff. Slowly we will go one by one. Okay, so no problem. So let's wait for some time. So once we need to put some command here, like once what we can say, this hda.qcow2 image is having the full image, then we can delete this one. Okay, but still it is not full, we need to wait for some time. It is loading, installing the package, so we need to wait for some time. Or I will pause the video, else the video become lengthy. I will pause the video. Once it is loaded 100%, I can unpause the video. Okay, so see here, installation is completed. Here you can see installation is completed, so we can reboot, and meanwhile we can go here and we can see here, you can refresh. Okay, or let me go out and come back in here. Here I will go out, and here again I will come back. So this size should be increased. So this size should be increased. So let me check, let me reboot. After that we will see the size should increase. So it is rebooting now. So we need to wait for some time. We will wait for some time here. Okay, the system is starting. We will wait for some time. I will pause the video because it will take long time. First time we need to wait. So see here, it is rebooted. Now what we can do, we can log in. If you want, you can put the username is admin as we have before, and the password whatever we give, we need to put that one. Okay, so I put that one. So see here, in order to configure your system, please access the web to finish the first wizard. So what I can do here, already we know what IP we give, so we can type that IP here, 192.168.45.100 I think I give. So click that one and check here you are able to access that one or not. I think 100 I type, or let's see what I type. We can check that IP also, we have the option to check that, because I remember before I give 50, later I change the 100. So let me check here, https :/ and here I will put this one 100, and let's see here what we give here. We have the some commands, we can type the commands and we can check also. So this one is still loading. Or let me check, I give 50 because I remember I give 100. Let's see what I give. Okay, I give 50 here. Okay, so let's go here and click here, and you will have this login detail. This system is for authorized use only, and if you want to put the username, you can put whatever the username we have. We have admin and password, whatever you have, you can put that one, and then click, and you can see here you are inside. This is the open server checkpoint first time configuration wizard. You can click next and we can do more configuration here. Okay, so that one we will do in our next class, no need to worry here. And what else we can do here, if you don't want to do this setup all the time, then we need to put some more commands here. then the size of this image will be increased. If you see, you have 194 here only, you have only this image size. So we downloaded so many things. So next time when you are taking this what we can say, the firewall like this, when you are taking any node, if you want to have the node from this point, not from the initial installation, then we need to do some more configuration. What you need to do here, you need to put some commands. So let me show you that commands, what we can do here. Let me do that. I can paste that command, no worries, in the description. So this is the EVNG. I log in here. I need to put here the commands. So what command I will do, we will have the command here. I will take the notepad. Let me take the notepad here. In the notepad we need to write. So here what I need to do, in the notepad I need to figure out. So first I need to write CD, okay, CD, then space, then OPT, then backslash and unit lab, then backslash TMP slash, and here you need to give here like admin, who is the admin. So if you go here, close the lab. You cannot close. If you want to close, you need to switch off this firewall. So I will switch off this firewall and go here and check here. When you click this admin, you can see here POD. What is a POD? 0. So you need to write here 0. By default you will have 0 only, but anyhow whatever the POD you have, you need to write here. So POD is 0 here. So I wrote that one. How I check POD means, you need to just close the lab and come here and click this admin. You will see here POD. The role is administrator and the POD is 0 all the time. Then I will go back to this lab, and then if I click this one, you can see CP, what number you have here in between, 1 you have, okay. And before that one we need to get the information lab detail. If you click here, lab detail, this is the ID. This ID we need to take. So we need to copy this ID and we need to paste here. After 0 I can put the slash here and I will put that ID, okay, lab ID I will put, after that slash, and we have 1. If you remember, admin is having the firewall which we are using, we have 1 here. If you see here CP in bracket, you have 1, so you need to write that one. Let me repeat what I am doing. First I am writing CD, okay, backslash OPT unit lab TMP, then this 0 means admin, and this is a lab ID you need to put. You will get this number different. How we get means, we will go here and you will click the lab detail. So this will be the ID. You need to copy and paste. In your case you will have different number here, okay, and then backslash 1, and you can use this one more backslash, and you can copy and you can put this in the putty, this one where we are accessing the EVNG, okay. So let me put this here and press enter. After that what we need to do here, we need to save this one. To save this one, what I will do, I will do here dash OPT, then press tab key, then keymu, then backslash bin, then backslash keymu, then image, and you need to write commit. Commit, what is the image? hda.qcow2, and press. Commit means we will save. So we are saving this configuration, okay. After that we need to remove this CD-ROM ISO. So here if you see what I done here, I am saving this one, and you can see image committed. So we save that one. After that one, here you can refresh. See here size increase here 7,77. After that you can remove this image. You can remove this image, and when you drag the new image, like new, what we can say here, new firewall like this, it will work. Example, if I take this new firewall, I can take, or take this one also, and we need to remove this. If you want to remove this image, let me show you which image I am saying remove. This image, if you want to keep, you can keep also, but anyhow we already copy everything here, so we can remove this directly. You can delete like this also, or if you want to remove with command, we can remove with command also, okay. and then you can start this one, and this is the old one which we have, and you can open this in WinSCP. It will open, and you can change also if you want to change this, like you can open this in the telnet also. After that, same thing as we put here, put the IP in the browser, and then we will do some setting. That's all. Okay, anyhow, we will see in our next class about this one. So this is our first video, how to install the checkpoint in EVE-NG.